In this video, we will be walking through how to type with the Heiltsuk Unicode keyboard that you have installed on your computer. The written instructions for how to type with the Heiltsuk Unicode keyboard can be found at heiltsuk.arts.ubc.ca/keyboard. Depending on the type of computer you're using, you can find the instructions by clicking Mac, Windows, or Chrome OS instructions. This video was filmed using a Mac computer keyboard. However, it will also include instructions for the other keyboards as well. If you have yet to download the Heiltsuk Unicode keyboard onto your computer, please do that first so that you can follow along. There are 4 letters that can be typed using one key: the open bracket key, the closed bracket key, the backslash key, and the tilde or squiggle key. There are also a number of letters as well as accents that can be typed by combining the Shift key with another key on the keyboard. The key combinations are Shift, backslash, Shift, squiggle or tilde, and Shift, open bracket. The key combinations for accents are Shift, dash, Shift, 6, and Shift, comma. There are other letters that can be typed by combining the Alt or Option key with other keys on the keyboard. These letters are as follows: Option, squiggle or tilde, Option, M, Option, L, Option, N, Option, question mark. For Windows or Chromebook users, these last 4 keys can be typed by holding down Control, Alt, or Option, and another key on the keyboard. So Control, Alt, M, Control, Alt, L, Control, Alt, N. For Windows, Control, Alt, question mark, and for Chromebook, Control, Alt, closed angle bracket. Written instructions for all of these key combinations, as well as instructions on how to download the keyboards, can be found online.